PlanetTogether offers the ability to create a what-if scenario by copying your live scenario. In the what-if scenario, changes can be made to your schedule and compared. To create a what-if scenario, first make sure you're in your live scenario. Then, under Current Scenario, select Copy to New What-If Scenario. A new scenario will appear. Under Current Scenario, you can rename your scenario. Now, changes in your what-if can be made manually or by running your Optimize feature. If I want to compare my scenarios, I can go to Current Scenario, select Compare, and select the scenarios that I have available to see my differences. If I like the changes made in my what-if scenario, I can convert this to my live scenario, or I can delete it if I am done with it.